Let me ask you honestly, after studying civil engineering for 4 years, on your first day at site, do you really know what to do? You know formulas but not execution. That's the difference between classroom knowledge and site experience. In this video, what classroom teaches. Classroom is very important. It teaches RCC basics, concrete grades, drawings and theories, and course and standards. But classroom shows ideal conditions. Everything is perfect in books. In real construction, nothing is perfect. So, what site teaches? Site teaches things no classroom can do on site. So inside, drawings does not always match reality. Level classes, material varies, weather changes work. Site teaches you how concrete actually behave, how to handle labors, how to behave problems quickly. So, how to solve the problems quickly, how to take responsibilities. In exams, mistake cost marks, but inside, mistake cost money, time, and safety. So, why site experience matters? So, companies does not ask only for degrees. They ask, can you handle site work? Can you manage people? Can you execute drawings? Because buildings are built by experienced engineers, not topper alone. So finally, classroom gives direction, site gives confidence. Respect theory, but never skip site experience. If you like, comment, share, site life, and follow for real civil engineering content. So, if you like our channel, to follow our content. For next video, stay tuned.